Aerobatics, a portmanteau of aerial acrobatics, is the practice of flying maneuvers involving aircraft attitudes that are not used in normal flight. Aerobatics are performed in airplanes and gliders for training, recreation, entertainment, and sport. Additionally, some helicopters, such as the MBB Bo 105, are capable of limited aerobatic maneuvers. An example of a fully aerobatic helicopter, capable of performing loops and rolls, is the Westland Lynx. The term is sometimes referred to as acrobatics, especially when translated. Most aerobatic maneuvers involve rotation of the aircraft about its longitudinal, roll, axis or lateral, pitch, axis. Other maneuvers, such as a spin, displace the aircraft about its vertical, yaw, axis. Maneuvers are often combined to form a complete aerobatic sequence for entertainment or competition. Aerobatic flying requires a broader set of piloting skills and exposes the aircraft to greater structural stress than for normal flight. In some countries, the pilot must wear a parachute when performing aerobatics. Aerobatic training enhances a pilot's ability to recover from unusual flight conditions, and thus is an element of many flight safety training programs for pilots. While many pilots fly aerobatics for recreation, some choose to fly in aerobatic competitions, a refereed sport. In the early days of flying, some pilots used their aircraft as part of a flying circus to entertain. Among the earliest innovators in aerobatics, the Frenchman Euclid's name is foremost. Maneuvers were flown for artistic reasons or to draw gasps from onlookers. In due course, some of these maneuvers were found to allow aircraft to gain tactical advantage during aerial combat or dogfights between fighter aircraft. Aerobatic aircraft fall into two categories: specialist aerobatic, and aerobatic capable. Specialist designs such as the Pitts Special, the Extra 200 M300, and the Sukhoi Su-26M and Sukhoi Su-29 aim for ultimate aerobatic performance. This comes at the expense of general-purpose use such as touring, or ease of non-aerobatic handling such as landing. At a more basic level, aerobatic-capable aircraft, such as the Cessna 152 Aerobat or the R-2160 Acroban, can be dual-purpose, equipped to carrying passengers and luggage, as well as being capable of basic aerobatic figures. Flight formation aerobatics are flown by teams of up to 16 aircraft, although most teams fly between 4 and 10 aircraft. 8. Some are state-funded to reflect pride in the armed forces while others are commercially sponsored. Colored smoke trails may be emitted to emphasize the patterns flown and/or the colors of a national flag. Usually each team will use aircraft similar to one another finished in a special and dramatic color scheme, thus emphasizing their entertainment function. Teams often fly V formations, otherwise known as echelon formation. They will not fly directly behind another aircraft because of danger from wake vortices or engine exhaust. Aircraft will always fly slightly below the aircraft in front, if they have to follow in line, the trail formation. Aerobatic maneuvers flown in a jet-powered aircraft are limited in scope as they cannot take advantage of the gyroscopic forces that a propeller-driven aircraft can exploit. Jet-powered aircraft also tend to fly much faster, which increases the size of the figures and the length of time the pilot has to withstand increased G-forces. Jet aerobatic teams often fly in formations, which further restricts the maneuvers that can be safely flown. Aerobatics done at low levels and for an audience is called stunt flying. To enhance the show effect of aerobatic maneuvers, smoke is sometimes generated. The smoke allows viewers to see the path traveled by the aircraft. Due to safety concerns, the smoke is not a result of combustion but is produced by the vaporization of fog oil into a fine aerosol, achieved either by injecting the oil into the hot engine exhaust line, or by the use of a dedicated device that can be fitted in any position on the aircraft. The first military aerobatic team to use smoke at will during displace was Fleet Air Arm 702 Squadron, the Black Cats, at the Farnborough Air Show in September 1957.